I'm in the process of attracting a business idea that I can do from home and that will replace my current income quickly. The law of attraction is in the process of unfolding and orchestrating all that needs to happen to bring me this or something better. Hi, I'm Stephen Jaimes, and I invite you to use these affirmations just the way they are or customize them to make them work for you. Remember, always make your affirmations truthful for you. Listen closely. Here's a helpful hint that I picked up from the book, The Law of Attraction by Michael Losier. Always begin with, I'm in the process of. Doing this makes this a truthful statement, doesn't it? Aren't you in the process of making more money, or aren't you in the process of having a hot, sexy body, or whatever it is for you? That's truthful, isn't it? Now, when we create a statement like, I'm a millionaire, or I have a hot, sexy body, and it's not true, there's something inside of us that says that's a lie, right? And so then we're really kind of sending out a negative vibration. We're not kind of, we really are. So then we keep attracting more of what we don't want, which is, of course, what we don't want. So remember, keep it truthful. I'm in the process of. One more tip I picked up from Joe Vitale's book, which works amazing, is add this or something better to the end of your affirmation, because this opens you up for what your desire is, or maybe something better that the universe has in store for you.